Everyone, my name is Mahathi. I am studying first class A section. Today I recite a poem on my father, my hero. My life, my father working harder and harder for his little angel and her bright future. I was born in his lap, he gifted me love. My poem is a loving salute to his nature. He made his hands swing for me to take a nap. Holding his hands, I took my first step. I always feel safe when he is by my side. He took me to dance and funny rides. The kind of love he showers at me makes him special as known as can be. Thank you, Papa, for being my father, working for the family harder and harder. I promise I'll never let you down. One day I'll give you a pretty crown. Thank you, मेरा पापा मेरे